10 brilliant smart money tactics that will skyrocket your savings. Are you eager to boost your savings and secure a brighter financial future? Implementing smart money tactics can pave the way for substantial growth in your savings account. From small adjustments in your daily routine to more strategic financial moves, here are 10 brilliant strategies that will help you skyrocket your savings. 1. Automate your savings. Discover the power of automation by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This simple step ensures consistent savings without relying solely on willpower. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Craft a realistic budget that allocates funds to essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Sticking to this budget will help you track your progress and avoid unnecessary expenses. 3. Embrace the 24-hour rule for purchases. Before making a significant purchase, give yourself 24 hours to consider its necessity. Often, this waiting period can prevent impulse buying and encourage more thoughtful spending. 4. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Assess your recurring expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Whether it's canceling unused subscriptions or minimizing dining out, small adjustments can lead to significant savings. 5. Negotiate better deals. Don't shy away from negotiating. Whether it's your internet bill or insurance premiums, negotiating for better rates can save you a substantial amount over time. 6. Explore cashback and rewards programs. Take advantage of cashback offers and rewards programs when making purchases. These programs allow you to earn back a percentage of what you spend, effectively increasing your savings. 7. Invest in low-cost index funds. Consider investing in low-cost index funds, which offer diversification and typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. This can potentially increase your investment returns. 8. Prioritize high-interest debt repayment. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Allocating more funds to clear these debts can save you substantial interest payments in the long run. 9. Explore additional income streams. Look for opportunities to earn extra income, such as freelancing, part-time jobs, or monetizing a hobby. Supplementing your primary income can accelerate your savings growth. 10. Regularly review and adjust your financial goals. Periodically reassess your financial goals and make necessary adjustments. Life circumstances change, and adapting your financial strategy accordingly ensures you stay on track. By implementing these 10 brilliant smart money tactics, you're setting yourself up for a robust financial future. Start incorporating these strategies today to witness a significant boost in your savings tomorrow. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel to receive more.